My name is Arvind Kala and I live in Delhi. The other day when I said that Mr. Modi's vegetarian diet was protein deficient because it lacked meat, my friends faulted me. They said human beings don't need meat. And if vegetarian food was weakening them, then how come a vegetarian animal like an elephant was so strong? Well, the first thing is that human beings are not elephants. The second thing is that the elephants of today eat what they always ate, which is wild grasses. But human diets changed dramatically 10,000 years ago when man switched to agriculture. But modern humans have existed on this earth for 200,000 years. So the question to ask is, before agriculture, how did they get their food? They got their food by hunting animals and by eating wild fruits and berries and stuff like that. We have proof of that in the sense that scientists and anthropologists have discovered any number of stones, spears and other weapons, primitive weapons, which suggest that human beings even hunted large animals. They even scavenged for food, in the sense that if a tiger killed a deer and was eating it, 5-10 human beings would charge him, scare him off the kill and grab the meat and eat it. And that's how they lived for 200,000 years, as I said. And most of the world is still carnivorous, but India is the only society, being a Hindu society, which doesn't eat so much meat. But what has happened? The human body is geared to eating meat, and we don't. The result is that our vegetarian diet has emasculated us hugely. Indians are easily among the physically the weakest people on this earth. The Olympic medal tally tells us that India got a measly four medals in the last Olympics. Look at Jamaica. Jamaica got 11. And India's population is 400 times that of Jamaica's. China has as many people as India. They got 70 medals and we got 4. Kenya got 13 medals. So we are right behind South Korea, Japan, every second country. I mean, we are nowhere in sports when it comes to swiftness and strength and stuff like that. So, and that is the reason. And I remember, you look at hockey. India was a world hockey champion from 1956 to 1980. We got 8 gold medals in the Olympics. 8. We were world champions. Today we are number 6 and 7, etc., etc. We figure nowhere in hockey. The world champions today are Belgium, Netherlands, Australia, Argentina. India is nowhere. You know, the chaps do wizardry and all that. They dribble, etc., etc. But they dribble around their own legs, but they don't get goals. So we figure no way. And even in the Olympics, and the medals we get, it's in sissy sports like shooting and badminton and stuff like that. We get nothing. Even, you know, in our whole history of probably 80-year-old history of participating in gold in Olympic medals, we've just got 1 gold medal, Bindra. And in what? In shooting. And a place like Kenya, you know, with 1/10 the population of India, it's got 6 gold medals, and we've got just 1 gold medal. So this is the vegetarian food which has finished us off. I mean, I remember going to Bihar once, 20 years ago. I had the misfortune of going there. And when I emerged from the train station, I saw tongas, you know, and I said to myself, how's a goat pulling a tonga? And then I looked, you know, that those horses, they were also so small and puny, etc. They looked like goats. Then I looked at the human beings. They were also puny and small, etc., etc. Whittled down by generations of malnutrition and vegetarian eating. And the strongest Indians today, I think, in many ways are people in the northeast who eat a lot of meat. You know, how come Manipur produces the best boxers? Boxing is a test of strength. And that is where it's tested. And, you know, Mary Kom got a silver or something. They're strong. Now somebody will say, how come vegetarian Haryanvis are so strong? Well, Haryanvis strength-wise are genetically blessed. They come from a very, very strong racial stock. You know, I don't know the source of their strength, but there's no doubt they are very strong. But they would be far stronger if they ate meat also. And that is really how it is. And how much is our meat consumption? It's just 5 kgs. In China, it's huge. I mean, everywhere. Let me look at these figures. China, 52 kgs per capita meat consumption in a year. Iran, 23. America, 111 kgs. Britain, 82 kgs. And India, 5. So no wonder we figure nowhere. And the weakest Indians in India are the Jains, who are staunch vegetarians. I mean, they're business geniuses. They dominate corporations and, they're hugely rich, but they don't have strength. So that is really how it is. Well, friends, I say great stuff. So please send it to everybody you know, your friends, your enemies, your in-laws, your bosses, your juniors, etc. And fire them up if they don't look at my videos. Okay? Thank you.